So today we will generate random numbers in Python. I have my Pythons ideally in front of me and I will import the random module here. Okay, the random module actually contains a function called randint, and that randint actually generates random number for us. So let's use this module to generate our random number. So now I will create a variable named r, and I will put my random number here. Okay, I will assign it a random number, rand int, and within this randint function I have to specify the range of my random number. Say I want to get a random number of 3 digits, then my starting number will be 100 and my ending number will be 999. So this is my range of the random number. This randint will generate a random number within the range of 100 to 999, which is a 3-digit number. Okay, done. Now let's print this r. Let's print this r, and you can see 164 has been printed, which is between the range of 100 to 999, and it is randomly chosen. So let's now generate 25 random 3-digit numbers. For that I will be using for loop, range 25. Okay, 25 times. Now just copy it, r equals random number. Okay, 3-digit random number will be generated in each step, and I will print the random number generated in step I plus I will convert my random number into string so that it gets printed pretty well. Okay, now let's run this for loop. So you can see various numbers has been printed over here, which all are 3 digits number, and these all numbers are randomly generated by our system. Okay, so that's all about the random numbers. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you have any kind of queries or doubt, then you can always ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, then please like and share this video to others. And if you want to see this kind of contents more, then please subscribe to Develop with Ankon, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.